There are 5 love languages. One love language is compliments, words of affirmation. Some people like to be hugged or kissed or touched. Rub their back, rub their shoulders, hold their hand. Learn what their love language is, and then use their love language.
He's built multi-million-dollar companies. His explosive books on health and wealth have sold over 60 million copies. Now, the Kevin Trudeau Show they don't want you to know.
What mistake do men make? There are 5 love languages, and there's a book called The 5 Love Languages. And for free, you can go online and punch in how to find what love language I use, and there's a little online test. It's free. I think you have to give your email address or something so you'll get on their mailing list. But you can take the test for free, and you can find out what your love language is. But most importantly, you need to find out what the woman in your life's love language is, because if you can find out what her love language is, then you can use it. So what are the 5 love languages? As an example, one love language is compliments, words of affirmation. So some people feel loved and appreciated if their partner says things like, I love you, you're wonderful, you're so beautiful, I love being with you, you're so intelligent. Compliments, words of affirmation. For some people, when you say those words, internally, subconsciously, they light up like a Christmas tree. But for other people, it's like it goes in one ear and out the other and has no effect. So another person's love language may be gifts. You come home and you give one rose and they light up like a Christmas tree. You buy some chocolates, they light up like a Christmas tree. You buy a little trinket. Doesn't have to be expensive, but a gift, a token. This makes that person light up like a Christmas tree. So for some people, their love language is receiving gifts. Now, if you know your partner, their love language is words of affirmation, and you keep bringing home gifts, you're getting no impact. You're not connecting with the person. You have to use words of affirmation. Another love language is acts of service. I was talking to a gal one time, beautiful woman, very intelligent, very successful, and we were chatting about this. And she says, you know, if you come over my house, you can tell me any compliment you want, it's going to have no effect. You can buy me presents, it's going to have no effect. She goes, but if you take the trash out, she goes, I will throw you on the bed and attack you and make love to you all night long, because that is going to drive me crazy. If you put the trash out and do something without being asked, some act of service. If you wash the dishes, she goes, oh my God, I'm ripping your clothes off right in as you're washing the dishes. She goes, that just drives me that makes me go crazy. So she was telling me, this is my love language. Okay, so use it, Kevin. And it makes a lot of sense. And there are other love languages too. Touch. Some people like to be hugged or kissed or touched. Rub their back, rub their shoulders, hold their hand. That touch is a love language for them. And other people, it's like, leave me alone. You know, I don't want to have public displays of affection. When we're in the bedroom, when we're naked, then you can touch me, but not now. So some people, touching is not a love language. For others, it is. And the other one is spending time with the individual. Some people like to be alone. It's like, leave me alone. You know, you're smothering me. Leave me alone. Where another person, they want to be with you. And the fact that you say, well, you know, let's just sit together and both read a book, but you're both sitting next to each other. For some person, just being in the same space, spending quality time together, doing things together. Let's go for a walk. Let's do this together. Let's do that together. Let's do this together. Let's do that together. That is a love language for some people, and it makes all the difference. So what mistake guys make, what guys do wrong, is they don't put any emphasis on using the love language that your partner responds to. Learn what their love language is, and then use their love language. Hi, I'm Kevin Trudeau. This is everything they don't want you to know about to improve the quality of your life. Broadcasting every Monday and Wednesday, 2 days a week now. Monday and Wednesday at 1 o'clock Chicago time. Make sure you tune in and subscribe to the channel and share these shows with everyone you know.